is SOSfix. Units here. We have this headset, the gaming headset, and the problem, the jack is broken half. This is the other port, so we are gonna replace it with this one, and this one it has 4 connectors, because this headset it has the microphone built in. The headsets, they don't have the microphone. You are gonna be like using the 3 pins, not the 4 pins. So after I solder the wire, I put the hot glue around it, and I make this metal ring from a wire. So that metal ring is gonna catch this one inside this one, so when they pull on this one, it's not gonna be like pulling on the tiny wire. Alright, this is the final result. Yeah, it's good. And so if you don't know the wires, this is what is going to be. The left side for the headphone. This is the right side. This one here is going to be the ground for both the microphone and speaker. And this is the microphone wire. So this is all for this video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.